being rooted to the spot.
Hello, Duffy. Thought I lost you.
Stand back or I'll pack!
Ooh, be still, my quaking legs. I'm going to be Goose.
What are you doing here?
What are friends for? I've come to take you home. Your mother is carrying on something fearful.